Manage Application tab allows an admin or manager to add or update users and groups. Further, roles and workflows can be configured using this capability. The Users tab lists all the users who have been boarded onto the system. An admin can create new users from here. Once a user is created, they will receive an email with the login details. A role and group can be assigned to the user. The application also supports SSO login. Groups. Multiple users can be added to a specific group. Roles. ECMS offers an advanced role-based access control, allowing the user's detailed customized configuration on Insights, Calendar, Dashboard, Documents Access, Documents View, Documents Upload Delete, Document Attributes Edit Control, Attributes Visibility. Access to create users, groups, roles or workflows. Only Office Editor features. And access to different screens or tabs.